Meaning of double-barreled.
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 Double-barreled. The term double-barreled can refer to multiple things, but most commonly it is used to describe a shotgun with two barrels arranged side by side or an individual with a hyphenated surname containing two last names. In both cases, the term double-barreled suggests an added level of sophistication or perceived high status. For example, a double-barreled shotgun may be seen as more elegant or refined than a single-barreled one, while a person with a double-barreled surname may be perceived as coming from a privileged background.